The sun is a powerful force that influences our planet in ways we are still learning to understand. Recently, a fascinating discovery has been made regarding the sun's behavior, specifically its coronal loops, which may provide early warnings for potentially dangerous solar flares. These loops, which are shaped like horseshoes and are composed of plasma, flicker in subtle ways before an eruption occurs. This flickering occurs hours in advance, which could revolutionize our ability to predict space weather events. Solar flares are significant outbursts of electromagnetic radiation caused by the twisting and snapping of magnetic field lines on the sun's surface. They typically originate around sunspots, which are cooler areas on the sun where these magnetic lines break through. When a flare occurs, it can send intense waves of radiation toward Earth, resulting in temporary disruptions such as radio blackouts. More alarmingly, these flares can also lead to coronal mass ejections, which are large bursts of solar wind and magnetic fields that can collide with Earth's atmosphere and create geomagnetic storms, some of which can be quite powerful and visually spectacular, as seen in widespread auroras. Recent studies utilizing data from NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory analyzed multi-wavelength images of coronal loops before a series of solar flares. Researchers discovered that these loops emit invisible ultraviolet light flashes just prior to the flares. Not only does this finding deepen our understanding of solar activity, but it also opens the door for improved predictions of dangerous space weather events. The flickering of these loops has been shown to indicate oncoming flares with an accuracy rate and timing far superior to what we currently possess, signaling potential flares 2 to 6 hours ahead. This new predictive ability is crucial, especially considering the recent powerful geomagnetic storm that affected Earth in May 2024. Such storms can disrupt satellites and electrical grids. Consequently, having a reliable early warning system for solar flares, like the one indicated by the subtle flickering of coronal loops, will allow us to better prepare for and mitigate the impacts of these powerful solar events. The discovery of flickering patterns in the sun's coronal loops represents a significant advancement in solar physics. As researchers continue to study these phenomena, the insights gained could lead to a more accurate and reliable forecasting system for space weather, ultimately safeguarding both our technologies and our daily lives from the sun's unpredictable behavior. The ongoing exploration of the sun will undoubtedly yield even more insights, further enhancing our understanding of this powerful celestial body.